Hello and welcome back to another devlog on this channel. A lot has happened over the last few weeks, so let's dive right into the update. Goodbye cylinder and hello character sprites. First up, I spent 4 whole days giving the player an actual sprite in animations, and it took so freaking long. But here is what the finished result looks in the game. It's not perfect yet, and there are still some animations missing, but for now it's a massive step up from the placeholder cylinder. To make this, I took a sprite sheet of a 3D model from the internet and hand drew my own character right over it. And it works surprisingly well. Going multi-platform, PC and controller support. The second major thing that I've done is this little button right in the menu. After brainstorming in the last devlog about how to get the game playtested, I realized I want to reach as many players as possible. To achieve that and to make testing easier, I added a brand new PC mode. Clicking this button will automatically switch the game to desktop mode. The UI adapts and full keyboard key bindings are enabled. On top of that, I also implemented controller support, so you can now just plug in a gamepad and play the game. Unsurprisingly, switching from a mobile-only setup to supporting mobile, desktop and controllers completely broke a ton of things. I spent a massive amount of time just fixing all these bugs that came with it. A new challenger, Ballon. Next, I added the second enemy type to the game. I'm calling him Ballon. He's an enemy inspired by those thick bird memes. He hangs out in his own specific area, and if you get too close, he will literally roll you over. I had a lot of fun drawing him, and this makes him the second completed enemy in Area 1. I definitely want to add a third one, and its animations are already pretty much done. Road to Steam demo. Alongside all the animating and bug fixing, I managed to create a few new assets and finalize the first test map for a demo. This is going to be my main focus for the next 2 to 4 weeks. The goal is to release this demo on Steam so I can finally start getting some real playtest feedback. I still have a lot of open questions about the process, but I'll just have to figure things out as I go. And that's basically it for this devlog. Lots of animating, lots of bug fixing. Progress is slow, but we are moving forward and that's what matters. One question, I also want to do some other videos alongside the devlogs. Do you guys have any ideas? Thank you so much for the amazing comments on the last video, and I'll see you all again in 2 weeks. Bye.